Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will discuss on how to create a directory in Java. Now friends, in our previous video we have already seen how to create a file using Java. Apart from that, we have already seen relative path and absolute path. Alright, so let's get started. Now friends, in our previous video we have taken help of file class. For example, if I type in file directory equals new file. Now friends, in our previous video, we have used this particular class in order to create a file. Today, we will make use of the same file class in order to create directory. The same class will help us to create a directory. So let's import the required package first of all, and we will also give the name. The name of the directory would be, for example, StudyEasy. Alright. Now, if we want to create a folder or a directory by the name of StudyEasy, either we can give a complete path, relative path, or only the directory name. How to work with paths, how to work with relative path, absolute path is something which we have already seen. So we will skip on that. So in here, once we have initiated this object directory, the next step of creating the directory is pretty simple. We will type in directory dot make directory, and that's it. Alright, so as soon as we save the changes, nothing happened, no exception is thrown. The reason is pretty simple. Whenever we are handling the file operations, whenever we are dealing with file, then it is mandated to handle exception. That will throw an exception, but making a directory will not throw an exception. Alright, so moving forward, let us create a simple statement where we will display a message. Alright, now let me execute this program. And here is the output directory created, and let me refresh the program. Here we go. So the directory is created with reference of the current project, which we already know. Alright, now moving forward, for example, we want to create subfolders inside this directory, subdirectories inside this directory. How things will go. Now this is pretty simple. If, for example, we want that, so in here we can type in like this, StudyEasy slash. In fact, we will make use of backward slash, double slash. The next folder name would be author maybe. Then we will create a yet another directory whose name would be Chand. Alright. Now again, if I execute the program, then what would be the outcome? The output is directory created. Let me refresh the program. But there is no directory created inside this directory StudyEasy. The reason is pretty simple. This method make directory is capable of creating only one directory. If we want to create subdirectories, then definitely we would need a yet another method whose name is make directories. Let me make use of this method, and now if I execute the program, again we will get a proper output. Now let me refresh the program, and now the subdirectories are created. Very good, right? So this is amazing how we can create a directory. Now moving forward, for example, we want to create a file inside this particular directory. How we can do that? Pretty simple. We will proceed further. In here we will type in file equals new file. We will give the file name as test.txt. That's it. And now moving forward, we will type in file dot create new file. Now friends, using this particular method, we can create a new file, which is okay. But we want to create the file inside this directory Chand. So what is the solution? Pretty simple. In here, we will copy this string, which is the path, and we will give the complete path relative to the current project. Now let me execute the program, and let me also add in a sysout statement. A statement would be like file created. Let me rerun the program. Directory created, then file created. Amazing. Let me refresh the project once again, and here is the file. So the file is created successfully, which is amazing. Apart from that, we can definitely create this path in our C drive as well. So in here, for example, I type in C:// and again here we will give C://. Even this will work properly. Let me execute the program, everything is working properly. Let me navigate to C drive. In here we have this folder Study Easy. Inside this we have this folder author, then Chand, and inside Chand we have this test.txt, which is amazing. Now you might be thinking why we have this studyeasy.txt file. The reason is pretty simple. This file was created from our last program, so it is created from our last program, so ignore that. All right, so this is cool how easily we can handle things, and this is all about today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next video.